Why were ancient Greek texts crucial for medieval science? Have you ever wondered how ancient knowledge shaped the world of science during medieval times? The connection between ancient Greek texts and medieval science is fascinating and essential. Ancient Greek texts were vital for medieval science in Europe because they laid the groundwork for understanding the natural world, mathematics, and philosophy. After the fall of the Western Roman Empire, much of this knowledge was lost in Western Europe. This led to a decline in scientific learning during the early Middle Ages. However, interest in these ancient texts began to rise again, especially through translations from Greek and Arabic into Latin. This revival helped restore scientific inquiry during the High and Late Middle Ages. Many Greek works were preserved and passed down through the Byzantine Empire and the Islamic world. Scholars translated and commented on these texts, which included writings by notable figures like Aristotle, Ptolemy, and Euclid. These works covered a variety of subjects, such as physics, astronomy, mathematics, and natural philosophy. Western Europe regained access to these texts mainly during the 12th and 13th centuries. This was made possible through contact with the Byzantine Empire and the Crusades, as well as translations from Arabic sources. The Greek texts offered a systematic way to understand nature based on observation, logic, and reason. This approach contrasted with explanations that were purely theological. Medieval scholars, including Thomas Aquinas, integrated Aristotelian philosophy with Christian theology. This integration had a lasting impact on both scientific and philosophical thought. Moreover, these texts provided the foundation for advancements in mathematics and natural philosophy. This groundwork eventually led to breakthroughs in motion, astronomy, and physics. For instance, scholars at universities like Oxford refined Aristotelian concepts, which contributed to early formulations of laws of motion. These ideas anticipated later scientific discoveries. In practical terms, the recovery of Greek knowledge helped shape the curriculum of medieval universities. The study of natural philosophy was grounded in these classical works. This intellectual foundation supported a more empirical and mathematical approach to science. It set the stage for the scientific revolution in the early modern period. In essence, ancient Greek texts served as the primary source of scientific and philosophical knowledge in medieval Europe. Their transmission, translation, and study were key to reviving and advancing medieval science. This connection linked classical heritage with medieval scholasticism and laid the groundwork for future scientific progress.